Been a busy day for our friend, meteorologist David Yeomans. You've been working hard all afternoon on the stream and elsewhere. We got a lot of snow today.
The snow has been coming down almost a foot in the loop. You know, not always the hardest hit area, and we still have more coming for our friends in northwest Indiana. There we are with all the snow-covered roofs and roadways. Tonight, northwest Indiana, though, really under the gun for a fire hose of additional lake effect snow. By tomorrow morning, frigid wind chills become the concern area-wide, and through the rest of your upcoming work week, very cold temperatures. Air temperatures don't even hit 10 degrees in town tomorrow. On the backside of this massive disruptive storm you've heard so much about nationally the past couple of days, we have northeast winds driving over the warm and relatively unfrozen Lake Michigan, causing the lake effect snow event that we've seen over the past 24 to 30 hours. That northeast wind driving into Chicago is finally getting booted out as northwest winds move into the city, and that's bad news for our friends in Gary, but good news in Cook County for the roadways and travel conditions. Looking up the lake, you can see this fire hose of snow just pointing right toward Lake County. We have winter storm warnings in effect for northwest Indiana along the lakeshore through 9 a.m. in most cases tomorrow. Here's that band of lake effect snow shifting out of Chicago further over the next couple of hours. So pretty much what you've got will be it for this event so far in Cook County. 7 p.m. still coming down in the Lake County. 10 p.m. Porter and LaPorte counties are under the gun. And by tomorrow morning, we will have a lot of snow stacked up along the lakefront in northwest Indiana, but the snow band itself will be out of our area. Additional snowfall, not much at all in Chicago, but look at this. Close to the lake in Lake, Porter, and LaPorte counties, widespread 3 to 6 inches with the potential of 6 to 12 additional inches by tomorrow morning. That means 1.5 feet of snow might be on the ground along the lakefront in those areas. Now let's talk about the cold. As snow moves out of Chicago, cold air is pouring in. It's 7 above zero right now in DeKalb and McHenry. Factor in the wind chill. The wind chills are 10 below in Rockford and McHenry counties. That feels like temperature will be the focus for most of us tomorrow morning, feeling like -15 to -25. That's why we have a cold weather advisory in effect for everyone through noon tomorrow. Tonight, air temperatures 3 below in Chicago with lake effect snow focusing in Indiana after brutal wind chills for the first half of your day, partly cloudy and pretty frigid through the rest of it, 9 degrees. And by the way, that high temperature comes at about 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night. That's because a little warming trend takes us up to a balmy 16 with snow showers returning on Tuesday. A few flurries possible at the very least most days this week into the weekend, and another lake effect snow event may impact Chicago Thursday night into Friday. We will keep you posted. Joe, back to you.
David, thanks.